Good morning, everybody! What's poppin'? Soon it's gonna be March and I'm so excited. Do you know why? Do you know why? The last 7 days of every month, my favorite time of the month, because it's self-care week. Every end of the month, I start the next month fresh. That means fresh nails, fresh eyelashes, facials. I do so many things for my self-care week, basically maintenance week. This video is all about how I maintain myself every single month. So basically there are a few things that I do every single month in order to maintain my beauty, my health, and etc. Basically my monthly self-care routine. I mean, there are always things that people do every single month, like nails, eyelashes, and stuff like that, and I just thought, why not share it with you guys? I love taking care of myself, I love glowing up, I love changing my appearance time to time. It just keeps me going, it keeps me excited, and I love it. So in this video you will see what exactly I do for my maintenance week, which is, by the way, the last 7 days of every month. So I get ready for the new month, I walk into the new month fresh. For me, the beginning of the month is like the beginning of a year. It's like new month, new me. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to even film this video. Anywho, without further ado, let's get right into the video. But first, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Anyways, let's get into the video. So I am gonna go get my eyelashes done. I do have a face mask on right now, which makes me look really weird. Anyways, my eyelash appointment is exactly in an hour, and I look funny. A lot of you guys always ask me if my eyelashes are real. Well, I'm not wearing falsies, but they're called extensions. So eyelash extensions last for about 3 to 4 weeks if you take care of them really good. And I never go for refills. I always go for a new set because I don't like refills. I hope I didn't scare you with this face mask. Anyways, the extension set that I always get is 3D 17mm with Kim Kardashian effect. This is the list. You could show your eyelash extension artist. This is the first thing that I'm going to be doing, but I'm so excited for self-care week. I am so excited for self-care week because it's about spoiling myself. Anyways, let's go get ready.
If there is something I don't like about getting my eyelashes or eyebrows done, it's the fact that it takes hours to get the job done. It takes a minimum of 2 to 3 hours to get extensions done and an hour to get eyebrows done. I just wish I could just drop my head at the place and pick it up after it's done, because I hate just laying there with my eyes closed and nothing to do, because it just gets so boring, and I'm not the type of person who can keep her ass in one place for more than 10 minutes unless of course I am sleeping. Over here, as you can see, I'm getting my eyebrows done. So I'm getting my eyebrows laminated and colored. Although my eyebrows do look super good, I just love to make it a 10 out of 10 instead of a 9 out of 10. I sound so cocky.
Okay, so I filmed my intro after I got my eyelashes done. So as you can see, I already got my eyelashes done. They look so cute. Honestly, for me, getting my eyelashes done is very, very important because it just changes your entire face. Before getting my eyelashes done, I was afraid of myths like, oh, your eyelashes are gonna get bad, they're gonna get weak, and your natural eyelashes are gonna get damaged. That is not true. If you go to the right technician, if you go to the right lash artist, your eyelashes are gonna be perfectly fine. If you take care of your lashes properly, then you don't have to worry about your natural lashes getting damaged at all. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is waxing. Waxing plays a huge role in my monthly self-care routine because I never shave for so many different reasons. Ingrown hair, itchiness, my hair growing back in 24 hours. I cannot keep shaving every single day or every once a week. It's just difficult. So I stick to waxing because I cannot deal with shaving. So waxing is what I do. I have been waxing constantly for about 8 months now, and trust me guys, the growth rate of my hair has decreased. My hair is much lighter and softer now, and my skin texture has improved so much ever since the day I started waxing. So yeah, anyways, let's go get
Okay, so I'm almost there, and I hope that I'm not too early because I am actually really early for the first time. Let's just hope it's not closed. One thing I don't like about waxing is the pain. Like, it hurts, but I've gotten used to it, and it hurts less than it did when I first got it done. So yeah, and the second thing is I have to be butt naked in front of somebody else, which makes me really uncomfortable, but I'm used to it. So it's time to get my nails done, and as you can see, my nails have grown. I need to get some fresh nails. One thing about me is you'll never catch me walking during winter. Also, look at how pretty the sky is. So anyways, during winter, I only take the cab because I have very low cold tolerance and I can't take it. Anyways, right before my nail appointment, I grab a drink because I don't want to sit there hungry and I can't move once I give my hands. So, yeah, getting my nails done is just as boring as getting my eyelashes done because it just takes so much time, about 3 hours to get my nails done. And picking a color is always difficult for me because I always want to go for white, but I also want to explore new colors and new designs, but it's just not in my comfort zone. But I still love exploring, and yeah, this time I went for something completely new. Okay, so I just got done with my nails. These are my nails. So it's definitely out of my comfort zone. If you've been following me on Instagram, you already know that. But I've been getting out of my comfort zone the past few months, and I finally did pink, and I'm so in love with it. But I ate a meal today and it's already yellow. Can you see the difference? Brown girl problems. One meal and my nails are already yellow. But I'm in love with these nails because it just looks so natural and it just looks so pretty. Honestly, nails are like a huge part of my glow up monthly routine because nails represent you. Whenever I speak to somebody, whenever I meet somebody new, I look at their nails. Your nails tell a lot about yourself. And nails are that one thing that you could get into shape without exercise. So girls, go get your nails done because it represents you. At least to me, it does. But if you can't get your nails done, if you can't go to a manicure place, if you can't go to a nail artist and get your nails done, that's totally fine. Just get a white nail polish, learn how to do it yourself. I used to do it myself when I was younger. I learned how to shape my nails. I learned how to paint my nails and all by myself. And it wasn't perfect, but at least it was okay. If you can't afford to go to a nail artist, do it yourself. Buy some cheap nail polish and put it on your nails until one day you'll be able to go to a nail artist without any problem. And I hope that day comes soon. I am manifesting for you because I love you guys. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is shaving my face. Now, if you know this video over here, I started shaving my face, and today is the second time I'm shaving my face ever since I did that video. I did not shave after that, and my hair still looks pretty good. My face looks pretty good to me and I look fine. Like I said in my previous video, I have already added that to my skincare routine. So let's get to shaving. If you want to find out how I shave my face, you could hop onto this video. Link will be in the description box below. Okay, so I am done shaving my face, and right after shaving my face gets a little red and bumpy. So anyways, I'm done shaving and I'm so excited for what I'm about to do next. That is my very last thing, but it's my favorite thing, and you guys will see what I'm about to do. So that's about it for my monthly maintenance routine. Those are basically the things that I do every single month to maintain myself. And honestly, I do all of these things because I honestly believe that I deserve these things, because I stay stressed half the month and I work so hard and I just get tired, and sometimes I need to pamper myself to reward myself. And these are just things that makes me happy. After a long month of working, studying, doing everything that I need to be doing in order to be successful, these things actually relieve my stress. These things make me feel happy. These things make me look more presentable. And I've always been this way. Since I was a kid, I would always do my nails. I would always do my toes. I would always have face masks on. Ever since I was 13, 14. And I just love doing them because it keeps me sane, you know? That's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.